doing them on Friday return. You guys let's go and stop and get the kids. Hey.
How are you, folks?
Good. Yeah. Yay.
When you guys clear that tree line and shoot the pumpkin, make it all okay.
Now watch you see it go in the water.
You want to go up by Cindy? She said, shit. Maybe, yeah. Here.
Come on up here, right?
Load it. Load it.
Got it.
Okay, he's going to shoot it.
Watch the water. There it goes.
There it is, look.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, no, we didn't see it go in the water either.
Hey. You can have 4 wheels. That's good.
Not this one. I think that you were going to go to Johansson. We haven't been there. That's the one on 80.
Oh, wait. Now you're going to see it like on the bathroom.
On the weekends when they're really busy. It's one that has the baby
Close
kids.
your eyes.
And they have the extra free rides
She's
all
going to the
day.
bathroom.
And,
Up here, you'll see him. He'll be going to the bathroom. Up here ahead.
what's another pumpkin launcher?
This is real corn. See that crack cobs on it? That's real corn. Here, this guy's going to be going to the bathroom.
Yes, it is. You wanted it to be early.
There's the medic?
I think longer than cities. Yeah. You want to get long hair? Yeah.
But there was a non-security, right? You're almost registering for it.
Got to order it somewhere. He usually opens it up. Hey, kids stop now.
We're going to go around back. You're not ready to get off right now, are you?
Well, you want to go home already?
You want to get off?
Oh, they got pumpkins there too, yeah. Just like Granda.
What? Well, not here. But I don't know if your dad has time to carve it.
Next year I got to put the pumpkins in
We're
there.
gonna go to, when we go to Michigan, we go to the Horizon Orchards, we bring our pumpkin
They
and we
say
get our
June and I should put it in early.
Or you want to buy a really big pumpkin? Make the curious.
I should put the pumpkins in early.
Okay.
They do, yeah. And across the street, that's where they park cars. On the weekend, it's busy. You have to sit down.
Yeah.
See, it's a pumpkin head.
So he doesn't want anybody to follow. I mean, I could sunscreen on his face.
Oh, yeah, I have just water in the pond. And I have apples and I have Jay. What?
in there?
I want to go over to the railings and pet them. That's not what I want to do.
They just maybe were behind schedule. Couple weeks.
I bet you'll be ready around a week.
I know it's kind of scary.
Right. Flowers. Well, you know, they don't have like a wooden sign. Right. Little pig. Yeah. Hey, no. Listen. The man said, sit on your phone. Look, here's the ride.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to go on with the tents yet. Okay. Well, there you go. Yeah.
Hey, actually, it's at the village up the hill, but I don't think it's like something.
Maybe, you know what, Daddy's probably up there.
Yeah, we go.